Hello and welcome to Chess Lovers channel. I'm not supposed to talk about football on this channel, but since there are many similarities between football and chess, I thought it was a good idea to mention some thoughts. Now we have a very interesting situation with Argentina and Spain in the coming final this weekend. And my prediction is that Argentina will win. And why do I think so? Well, it's not only due to the star Messi, but also because I think they understand how to take care of that star in the Argentinian team, because they have such good teamwork. And I think this is the key if you want to succeed in a team competition, whether it is football or chess. It is so important that you play for fun rather than the result, and that you actually play with each other rather than playing against somebody. And I noticed this very clearly when I saw, first of all, the very exciting match between Argentina and Egypt, where they were under 2-0 and not so many minutes left of the match, and they managed to score 3 goals within 15 minutes. That was an incredible achievement, but I wasn't surprised because they are so relaxed and they are probably also physically stronger in the end of the match. And the same scenario actually took place when they played against England, where the score was 1-0, and after approximately 85 minutes they managed to score 2 goals and win with 2-1. That was very impressive, but I don't think it's a coincidence. It all depends on Messi and his incredible team, who really know how to enjoy what they are doing, even though they are playing on the highest level. And the same thing we have seen in chess. I remember a couple of years ago when China won the team championship, world team championship in chess. For example, they had the same sweater in the team, and I could already then sense that they have good team spirit. And they won despite the fact they were not the best players. I think this is key for a team. You don't need to be the best team, but obviously it's a great advantage. But the most important thing is that you play because it's fun and you don't play only for the result. And of course Spain is a very good team now, the third strongest team in the world. So it will be a tough match, but I still think they will have at least 2 chances out of 3 to win the match, 67%. I know it's very hard to predict and I shouldn't do it, but I think this team spirit that we have in the Argentinian team eventually will decide when they are playing for the highest title that can be achieved in the world of football. And there are many similarities. You can use chess strategies in football, and you can use football strategies in chess. For example, when we are talking about centralization, you can see a lot of arithmetic ideas in chess as well as in football. I will not talk so much about this now. It might be a topic for a future video. So if you think this is a very interesting topic, feel free to write what you think of it in the comments. See you in the next one, and thank you for watching.